Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, what's up? If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Now, if you are new to Adobe Premiere Pro, you want to know what every single video transition looks like. Adobe Premiere Pro comes with a boatload of video transitions. So I'm gonna show you what they all do. So enjoy this montage of random real estate footage that I shot a while back with all of the transitions. Let's do it. Thank you for watching. I hope that was super helpful. If you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.